Hello students, this is class Upper Nursery subject conversation. Today's topic is parts of the body. This topic has already been taught. We will be again revising this topic. Okay, this is a boy and these are his body parts. See, we have to know their body parts by the name. We have to name the body parts. We all have these body parts with us. So these are the eyes. This is the nose. This is the mouth. This is the neck, shoulder, and this is the face. This is the face of the boy. Face. Wrist. This is the wrist. Elbow. Hand. Hand is here and fingers are here. These are the fingers. This is the knee. Knee on both the legs. This is the leg. This is the ankle. This is the foot. And these are the toes. One is toe and many are called toes. So 2 ears on both the sides. Eyes, nose, mouth, neck, face, shoulder, wrist, hand, finger, elbow, knee, toe, foot. These are the whole parts of the body. You have to learn them by their names. I have arranged some question and answers. So prepare this question and answers for you, so that when I ask these questions, you can answer them well. These are all oral question and answers. You have to answer them orally. What do you see with? I see with my eyes. What do you smell with? I smell with my nose. What do you hear with? I hear with my ears. What do you write with? I write with my hand. What do you kick with? I kick with my foot. Okay, children, learn them well so that when we ask the questions, you can answer them well. Now, the next topic is my senses. What is the next topic? My senses. This topic has also been done. You have to learn that topic, and I am revising this topic once again. Okay, children? My senses. We can see, hear, smell, taste and feel by using our body parts. These body parts are called sense organs. I see with my eyes. We can see, watch TV, see the rainbow, see the clock. Okay. I hear with my ears. What do we hear? The sound of a radio, the sound of a telephone, the music of the violin. Okay. I smell with my nose. We can smell the smell of a rose, smell of a perfume, smell of a cheese. I taste with my tongue. This is the tongue. You can have this burger, you can have this food and taste it. What do you see? You can taste. You can taste this food with this tongue. You can taste this banana, you can taste ice cream, you can taste burger. I feel with my skin. You can feel the pencil and these objects. Okay, with the hard objects, soft objects, smooth objects, rough objects, you can feel it by your skin. Okay. Now, learn this question and answers for the topic my senses. What things do you see with your eyes? I see everything with my eyes. What things do you hear with your ears? I hear sounds from a radio, a telephone and a violin with my ears. What things do you smell with your nose? I smell a rose, a perfume and food with my nose. What things do you taste with your tongue? I taste food, ice cream and bananas with my tongue. What things do you do with your skin? I feel hot and cold with my skin. Children, learn these question answers well and prepare yourself so that when you ask the questions, you can answer them well in proper sentence. Okay, children? Thank you, children.